Okay, on this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the segment addition postulate. Okay, and what it says, if point A and B and C are collinear, meaning that they're in the same line, then point B is between A and C if and only if this means the length from A to B plus the length of BC, this is from B to C, is equal to AC. Okay, now this sounds really complicated, but in a real life problem, here's how you do it. Okay, solve for X. I'm gonna write this for this problem. Okay, so what I'm gonna write is the length TU, meaning this length, plus this length. So the little pieces added together is equal to the biggest piece of them all. The biggest piece is TV. Now plugging the values, length TU, this is from T to U is 1 plus UV, this is from U to V is 2x minus 11, and then length of TV, this is from T to V is x plus 1. Now from here, from this point on, you solve the equation. Step number 1, eliminate parentheses, fractions, or decimals. We have none of them. Number 2, combine like terms on the left side. This term and this one are alike, they're similar. So 1 minus 11 will give you negative 10. And 2x, there's no one like 2x on the left, so that'll stay the same, is equal to, can I combine these two? They're not alike, they're different, so therefore I cannot combine them. The answer is x plus 1. Now, step number 3, separate variables and constants. Variables means letters, so the letters on both sides. Pick one side. Let me do it on the left. I want variable on the left, and I would like to have constants on the right. Variable means the letters. Of these two, he does not have a letter, so get rid of it. The opposite of negative 10 is plus 10. And weight it to one side, you must do it to the other side. That's the number, so put it with the number, so be plus 10. These are opposites, they cancel. They become 0, so they disappear. So all you have is 2x is equal to, okay, I'm sorry. I'm going too fast. Okay, this should be positive 10, and this will cancel or become nothing, 0. So variable means letters, that's a letter. Now constant means numbers only. Are these three numbers only? Here's not a number only, so get rid of x. That's negative x. When you do to one side, you must do it to the other. These two are opposites, so they cancel. 2x minus 1x will give you x, or 1x, and it's equal to 1 plus 10 will be 11. So in this problem, x is equal to 11. Okay, so one other thing I want you to notice is the following. This is the only new item. This is the geometry part of the problem. Okay, this is what we have done in the past. Okay, so this is new school and this is old school. We spent time on these type of thing problems already. Okay, next problem. They're asking you solve for x, same idea. So I'm gonna start with the little pieces added together. Should be equal to the whole thing, all of them together. So one of your pieces is hi, and the other little piece will be ij, and that's equal to the whole thing. The whole thing is hj. Now plugging, what is the length of hi? Hi is 6. What is the length of ij? X plus 2. And that will be equal to the piece of the whole thing. The length of the whole thing is 2x plus 8. Now from this point on, you follow the 4 steps to solving equations. Step number 1, eliminate parentheses, fractions, or decimals. We have none. Number 2 is combine like terms. On the left side, I can combine the 6 and the plus 2. 6 plus 2 will give you 8. The x is not combined, I'll give you x. On the right hand side, they are different. They cannot be combined, so that'll be the answer, 2x plus 8. Now, step number 3. Separate variables and constants. Separate letters and numbers. You have letters on both sides. Pick a side, then put on the right, variable on the right, and constant on the right, on the left. Constant means numbers only. Are these two numbers only? No, he's not numbers only. Get rid of it. The opposite of plus x will be negative x. What you do to one side, you must do it to the other side. These are opposites, so they give you 0 or nothing. They cancel. Now, constant means numbers only. That is a number only. Right hand side, variables means the letters. I would like all 3 of these to have a letter. He does not have a letter. Get rid of it. The opposite of plus 8 will be negative 8. What you do to one side, you must do it to the other. These are opposites. They cancel. So you have 0. These are opposites, and you have 0. Nothing. So what you have here is you have nothing left over. W 0 is equal to 2x minus 1x will give you x, and that is your answer. Okay, so as you can see, the segment addition postulate is not that bad. The only new item is the first equation, the first line, and that is the segment addition postulate. Okay, try the homework now. Thank you.